Let's summarize what you've learned about motors and generators. What is an electric motor? An electric motor is a device that changes electrical energy into mechanical energy, or motion. Electric motors power tools, toys, and other machines. A simple electric motor has a power source, a permanent magnet, a rotating loop of wire, and a motor shaft. A motor shaft is a rod that can spin and move. How does an electric motor work? An electric current from a power source runs through the loop of wire, making a magnetic field. The permanent magnet pushes and pulls on the wire loop. This causes the wire loop to spin. The wire loop then turns the motor shaft, which might turn a wheel or gear. What is an electric generator? An electric generator turns motion into electrical energy. It is the opposite of a motor. It changes mechanical energy into electrical energy. A simple generator has many of the same parts as a motor. Mechanical energy turns the wire loop between two magnetic poles. The magnetic field produces an electrical current in the wire. As the wire gets closer to the magnetic poles, electric charges are pushed through the wire. The moving electrical charges make an electric current. The mechanical energy for a generator is provided by a turbine. A simple turbine looks like an electric fan. Steam, water, or air is used to turn the fan blades. What do you think makes these blades turn? Yes, wind turns the blades. What kinds of electric currents are there? Most generators that make electrical energy produce an alternating current, or AC. Alternating current flows in one direction and then in the opposite direction. The electrical charges continuously flow back and forth. Electrical outlets in your home and at school use alternating current. Direct current, or DC, is the other kind of electrical current. When the flow of current is always in one direction without stopping or reversing direction, it is called direct current. A battery is an example of a DC power source. Some electrical devices, such as computers, change alternating current from the wall outlet into direct current. The black box on the train's power cord changes alternating current into direct current. Electric motors convert electrical energy into motion. Electric generators change the energy of motion into electrical energy. Alternating current continuously switches direction. Direct current always flows in one direction. What kinds of electric currents are there? There are two kinds, alternating and direct current. Alternating current continuously switches direction. Direct current always flows in one direction. Match the word with its correct meaning. How does an electric motor work? Electric current passes through a wire loop. The magnetic field around the loop is pushed and pulled by permanent magnets, causing it to spin. The loop spins a shaft, causing a gear or wheel to spin. A motor works when an electric current creates a magnetic field that causes a shaft to spin, which then moves a gear or wheel. What do simple generators and simple electric motors have in common? The wire loop, magnets, and shaft are all essentially the same on both the generator and the motor. An alternating current runs A, in one direction only, B, through a battery. The following part is not a part of a generator. A, turbine blade. B, battery. C, wire loop. D, turbine blades can be powered by different sources, like water or air. What are the advantages of each?